With more than 15 years of experience and continuous development, Uniexport Company Limited has become the leading supplier of biomass energy and wooden products in Vietnam. Established in 2005, Uniexport is recognized as a pioneer and a leading company in manufacturing, supplying as well as one of the biggest exporters of sustainable biomass energy and wood residues and products in Vietnam. Not only endeavoring to lead the market, our all-time mission is to bring Vietnamese sustainable materials to the world, reducing our carbon footprint for a green life and accelerating our community of sustainable development. Our international standard products have been well presented in more than 25 countries, such as Korea, Japan, the Middle East, Southeast Asia, and especially markets with strict required standards like Europe, Australia, and the United States. Uniexport, with strategic networks of production plants in southern Vietnam. All of our plants are well equipped with modern facilities, well managed by a skillful staff. We ensure large and stable capacity at the most favorable prices to customers, thanks to the strategic locations of our factories in the heart of industrial zones. Recently, Uniexport has set up a new factory situated in Ha Nai 3, Dom Nai Province, which we are proud to announce to be the biggest wood pellet factory in Vietnam. With space-age equipment and great advantages of transportation and material supplies, Uniexport Ha Nai 3 factory ensures more than 8,000 tons a month of capacity in the first phase and will increase shortly once phase 2 is put in operation. With high caliber and well-trained employees in a dynamic working environment and healthy financial resources, Uniexport always strives to sharpen up products' quality and to bring the utmost services without any compromise needed. On April 19th, Uniexport is honored to be one of the 500 fastest growing enterprises in 10 years for 3 years in a row, along with many reputable prizes such as Top 10 ASEAN Integration, which enhances Uniexport's reputation and trust in the international market.